No, we.
I'm just trying to turn up a little bit.
Did you put on reverb too?
Yes, we would.
Calling out to any spirits that may be inside the school or around the area. You come and chat. Also, some stuff out here this tonight. That thing up over here, all you gotta do is touch it. It'll make an alarm, but it won't hurt you. And then there's this down here, K2 meter. All you gotta do is touch it or go around it. When you guys used this before,
Oh my God, Mom.
you can.
The notification scared me.
Why did you get a notification? You forgot to put it in airplane mode. And then there's some balls back there you guys used before and you touched.
That's fine.
If you touch some of those balls, make them go off. Who's with us
Guide.
tonight? Guide?
Hi.
Hi.
You fucking heard that?
Who's with us tonight?
Tim?
Hi, Tim. You're back? Hey, Tim. Yeah, there's a couple of balls that's outside if you come outside the school. I know somebody touched them before. All I gotta do is touch them. The white balls, clear, see-through. All I gotta do is try to push them off and they should go off. There's one between them. Then there's a K2 meter if you want to come up by them. You try to spike that. Just all it will do is change colors. That's all. What? Yeah, sure. Put it right against the door. Tim, are you still with us? Timmy? It's a ball right there if you want to touch it. There's another one. 3 of them back there. And then there's that white thing right there on the stoop. All I gotta do is touch it or go around it. It'll make an alarm sound, but it can't hurt you. None of this stuff can. Is Molly here tonight? Who's with us tonight?
Hello.
Hello. Who are you?
And you guys want to touch those balls?
You can speak through Savannah. All you gotta do is speak through.
Hi.
Hi.
Leave here.
Why would you want us to leave here? Who's around tonight?
Did you guys leave the school?
How old are you?
19.
You're 19?
Come back.
I didn't leave, so I'm still here. You want me to leave and come back later?
Yep.
When later? Do you see those objects we have out?
Leave.
Why do you want us to leave?
If you can show us that you can touch those balls or any of these other devices, maybe we'll leave. We know you guys are here. I can't.
Why can't you touch them? Are you inside the school and you can't come out?
Put your hand against the door. I can.
Can you bang the door? Use your energy to bang on the door or something? Tap the door?
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Thank you. Just to make sure, can you do that again?
Yes.
Can you make it go off again? One of these devices?
That was really awesome. Yes, ma'am.
To your right.
It was to the right. That was the ball on the right. Can
There's
you
one.
touch one of those balls again?
Let me show you.
Okay, show
Watch
me. I'm watching. It's just like a little toy, that's all.
Again?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can make one
This
of those.
ball? Any of those balls. Doesn't matter which one. Or the black device or the white device. The one right here beside Savannah. Who is?
Savannah's the one talking for you. You make one of those devices go off again?
No.
Do you have enough power to? Or you got no power?
Stand up. Who do you want to stand up?
Freaking fly.
To be honest, I'm a little nervous because I think you're at the top of the stairs. Yes. Do it. If I do it, will you touch one of those devices? Yep. Tim?
Hi, Tim.
I'm standing up. Are you going to touch one of those devices? Yep. You see? I don't
Nope.
want to see, to be honest.
No, we don't see any devices going off, Tim. You just touch one of the balls, all you gotta do is try to push it off, or even get close to the black one and get your energy around it, and it should make it change colors, go up to another green, a yellow. Really cool if you make it go all the way to red, though. They can't.
I come and go.
Where do you come and go from?
Suffocate.
You suffocate it? You only made that ball go off once. And thank you for that. If you don't have enough energy to do it again, my apologies. But if you can, please do it again. Is that you who just tapped on the door or the glass?
No.
Who did it? Did somebody just tap on the door or the glass?
Pain.
You're in pain?
Turn
Turn where?
towards. That meter just go? No.
I don't know.
If we could, you could touch one of those balls again. I stood up.
Freaking flies are still.
It's bright.
Yes, it is bright out still. Yeah, it's daylight, eh? Still, but it is 9 o'clock at night. Are you scared of all these sirens that keep going by?
Something's happening. Is that fire? What happened?
We don't know. Can you hear that? Fire trucks.
Where's her phone? I'm getting worried. Not here. What happened?
We don't know.
To your left.
To my left?
Not yet. It was really nice if you could touch one of those balls again, or any of these other devices. I know you're here. You don't have to be scared of them. That thing went your phone.
Ticked up?
Yeah.
My God, it.
Did you get it?
Probably my phone was ticking that way.
Pretty sure it did. You should touch that black one again. That black device that's against the door.
I'm not sure.
I'm
Not
pretty
sure about
you
what.
just touched it.
Here, keep filming at the door. Those things, hold that and I'll move the REM pod. Okay, I'm going to touch the REM pod. So if it goes off, it's because of me.
Oh, Jesus.
Did you hear that? Could you hear that?
Yes.
Going off? Was it annoying? Can you...
Hello?
Hello.
Ghost?
Ghost?
Leave.
Leave? The ghost leave? Can one of you touch that device I just put next to the door? The white one? Has an antenna coming off of it?
No.
You don't like it?
I like that one. Gone.
Who's gone? Did that scare away everybody?
We're here.
Well, you're here? Okay. Who's we?
You should touch one of those balls again. Leave.
Who? Who should leave? I'll
You.
leave. You want me to leave? Can the girls stay? Or should...
Could.
Hi.
Why do you want Kirk to leave? That's just so random. Could you make that black one spike again? All those colors? If you did before.
I'll leave if you can make the white one make a sound. I'll leave. Then.
Name?
My name's Kirk. The one lady right here I'm pointing at is Amy, and that's Savannah. Your name, please?
Make a noise.
What kind of noise?
We made all kinds of noises. Can you make a noise? Or are you just telling me you made a noise? Because we kept hearing the door make some type of noise. I don't know if it's just from the heat and it's stuff cooling down. Could be just possibly that.
Ball. Do you like those balls? They're pretty neat. Timmy.
Hi, Timmy. Is it you who wants me to leave?
No.
Well, who wanted me to leave, Timmy?
Trapped.
Who's trapped? Are you trapped, Timmy?
No.
So you can come and go as you please, Timmy?
Sure.
Bird's eggshell. That looks good. Birdie's eggshell.
True.
True, yep. And that's what it is. Timmy, do you like speaking through Savannah?
Birds.
Birds? Yeah.
What was that? That was me. What?
How's your mom?
Oh my god, that scared me. Did I put that in my eye?
Cops?
Gate.
Gate?
Another fire truck.
What gate? We were just at the gate of the graveyard, but the bugs were just way too strong, and there was a worker there, and we really couldn't do anything.
Please.
Please what?
Need help.
Who needs help?
Balls.
The balls need help?
It's what I
Who
want.
is this?
It's what you want? And who's this? This is Kirk. Who are you? And that's Amy.
Come on.
Come on, what?
Molly.
Hey, Molly, you're back?
Oh my gosh. You?
Kirk. Amy.
I
Savannah.
want it.
You want what?
Okay.
You want what?
Yes. Molly.
Was that you, Molly, that made the tinking noise at the door? Or is that just from the heat cooling down in the door?
Pain.
Yeah, somebody said pain earlier too. Are you talking about physical pain or the pain of glass?
Help?
Help who?
Yeah.
Who's here?
Yeah.
Who's here?
Molly.
Hi, Molly. What do you need help with?
Yeah.
Hi, you said you're here lots. We can hear you say that through her. Molly, can you touch one of these devices?
I can't.
Why can't you? All you gotta do is try to knock them off. The steps, or touch that white one, or you can go around it.
Inside.
You're inside? You can't come
Yes.
outside?
Do you want me to go under?
Can you maybe push your energy through the door? There's a black one that's sitting in the middle of the door. If you try to push your energy, it will pick it
Yeah.
up. Where are you?
Inside.
Are you trapped
By
in?
window.
By what window? Are you inside one of the classrooms?
Yes.
Okay.
Window.
Which window, Molly? To my left or to my right?
See. You.
You can see me, Molly? Can you see me? What am I doing?
Yes.
What am I doing? Can you tell me what I'm doing, Molly?
Hello?
Hello. Could you tell me what I was just doing? If you
Hurry.
can see me? Hurry. Why do I need to hurry?
Look. See.
Look and see? I am looking. I can't see anything.
I get like a scared feeling in my belly over there.
Help.
You.
Help me? How are you going to help me? How you can help me is maybe by making a tapping noise on which window you're at.
Yes.
If somebody stopped walking around, maybe I can hear it. Are you on the first floor? Town really needs a good muffler.
Gate.
Up.
Gate? You're up?
No. Pardon.
Sorry, Molly. That loud truck that just went by 10 minutes ago is still going by. I can't.
Here.
You're here?
It's night.
Well, it's considered night. Yeah, it's about almost 9:30 now. But still got lots of daylight.
Come
up.
here.
Come where? Obviously, there was a baby bird hatched here recently. So it keeps finding its shell pieces everywhere.
I think it's a bird killed it.
Joyce.
Hang on.
Hang on to what?
Hi.
Hi. Can you use some energy from my cell phone? Give yourself some energy to make one of those balls down there go off?
Ball.
Yeah.
I'm really interested in those balls. You can just touch them.
Somebody did once already.
You did it once already. Wow. You heard that?
What?
Amy.
That's Amy down there. Going to
That's
just
sassy
curse.
with them, and then I hurt myself. And then they. Can
Do you
we
want?
touch one of those balls? It lets us know that you're around, besides talking to us, and that you're real. Or even touch that black. I try. Device. Thank you. Even if you touch that black device and make it change different colors.
This is called K2. It can't hurt you. All it does is pick up your energy and shows us in colors how strong it is.
Maybe they are.
Let's turn that one back.
I want to come.
Maybe they're turning them. No.
I'm going to check to make sure the balls are still on, so I'm going to touch them, okay?
Yeah.
That one's still on. Still moving. This one on? Yep, that one's still on.
Don't touch.
I'll touch. That one's
Yes.
still on. They're all still on. You told me not to touch them, but I own them, so I can touch them.
How about you come and touch them then? Too hard. It's not too hard. You just gotta really focus on it.
All I gotta do is push it right off the ledge.
It hurt.
It doesn't hurt you.
Touch the door. If you just touch the door, then that 1 meter will go off. You're curious. I know you're curious. Yeah. You are here and you're curious. What if you had touched it before?
Can you say Savannah?
I
Ma'am?
did.
You touched it? You're the one who did? Can you guys say hello to Savannah? Can you say her name? You said my name. You said Amy's name. Now can you say Savannah's name?
I don't.
Do you want Amy now to listen? And Savannah can take them out of her ears? We're going to switch them out, okay? Amy's going to take over. Listening for a bit, okay?
Dorothy.
Dorothy, go home to Matt.
Wrong ear.
Wrong ear.
Wrong ear. Mom. Wrong ear. Is it? Yeah. I got the Molly and Timmy.
Yeah, we know. We heard.
That's pretty much it. Oh, did anything, like, I know something went off the sound. Did any balls go off though?
One went off.
Oh.
That one over closest to the meter, and then I turned the meter off by mistake. I made it go off.
Like the one that
Yeah.
silenced, yeah.
I set that off.
I heard that one, but
Can you speak to Amy now?
see you.
Molly is trying to make me look in the window, but she wouldn't tell me which window.
Oh. Was it the other side? Amy.
Yep, that's Amy. What about her? Can you make the ball that's behind her go off? It's right on the steps in front of me.
Haunt.
Yeah? The school haunted? You want Savannah to ask questions now?
Castle.
Well, it kind of looks like a castle, eh? But it's actually a school.
Is this still Molly? Oh, what does that say on the roof? Was it?
KBY.
1968. Tony. I think that's.
You are annoying.
Who is annoying?
I'm sorry.
She moving around too much? We're not going to stay too much longer, but can you make one of those balls?
Yeah, I gave you all the French words too. It couldn't understand them, but it sounded like French words when they were talking to me.
Can you make one of these balls go off and then we'll leave? We'll leave you alone for the rest of the night if you can make one of these balls. You just shush me? Who's here now? Are you here still?
Medicine.
What about medicine?
What?
Why'd you say what? Whose medicine? Can you make any of these balls go off again like you did before?
Leave.
I'll leave if you can make one of these balls go off. Or one of the other devices, I'll leave. You can pick whatever ball you want. Or make that black device with the green light tick.
Steve. Steve, yes.
Steve, are you here?
Will you help me?
No, Steve, I'm not going to help you.
Girl.
Who's the girl? Is Steve here? Oh my god, that truck is back again for the 8th time.
What's the truck doing?
Driving around and it's fucking loud. He doesn't believe in exhaust. We're getting that noise a lot. That time it sounded like the handle, not the wood.
Again.
Was that you that just made that handle make a noise?
Funny.
What's funny? If you can make the handle tick, you can make one of those balls go. Steve, are you here? Yes or no?
Doug.
Who's Doug?
Sharp.
Doug Sharp? Who's Doug Sharp?
Beer.
Fear what? We're not.
Help.
If that's you, Steve, we're not helping. We tried.
Yeah. It's Steve again.
Steve, if that's you, make that. Touch that white one. That white device. Make an alarm go off. If you actually really need help,
Second.
you'll do it.
Me.
Mom doesn't talk loud enough. I can't hear her.
Second something miss.
Especially when vehicles go by.
Worse.
I'm going to count to 10. If nothing goes off, we're going to gather everything up and we're heading out. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Run. Run.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Thank you.
10.
Thank you.
I don't think you guys are strong enough to do anything. I think you're pretty weak. So is Steve.
Abused.
Who is abused? It's okay if you're weak. There is energy in those, in that black thing. There's batteries you can use a little bit of the energy of. There's batteries in that white one you can take some of the energy out of. There's some energy in these cell phones you can take out. All you gotta do is touch the black thing or the white thing and you can get some energy from it. We're probably just gonna pull her out of S's in a minute because he's not really talking to her and she's talking too low when you guys do say something.
Bedroom. Bedroom?
Whose bedroom? Is there a bedroom in here? Or was there a bedroom in here? You guys bring up bedroom awful lot. Who's talking about the bedroom? Abused in a bedroom?
It's unknown.
What's unknown? Oh, ball's going off.
Steve.
Steve, did you just make the ball go off?
Yep. Kind of Steve. I mean, come on.
Can you make the thing next to it go off?
Off. Off.
Steve, are you talking about Amy's bedroom? That's where, and it's unknown what's in there.
His playroom. His playroom?
Whose playroom? Whose playroom? I used these balls the other night for like a good hour and some with my buddy Justin. Not once did any of these go off. But tonight you guys managed to make them go off twice. Thank you. She's no longer under S's, guys. So we're going to be leaving soon.
Oh, I stopped it.
It's all good.
My eyes are like blurry, like for real.
That's how mine was too.
My eyes are like. I can't. Babe.
Okay, thank you. We're going to gather up this equipment and take off. Okay? Thank you. Goodbye. We're closing.
Sorry.
It's all good.
There was like 5 fucking people trying to talk to me all at once.
Something
Was
ab-
the person she kept talking to you?
No. I
think
heard
that-
it like au revoir or something
I
once.
keep hearing like.
I think it's when we said we were
sound like French
leaving.
words.
Huh?
I think we said something about leaving around that time too. I don't know. But the ball did go off
Yeah.
Did
over
it?
there.
The
There
one
was
that-
like 5 fucking people talking to me.
Yeah, Steve was one of them again. We
I
think.
heard Steve, and it was like, "Come with me." And I'm like just fucking ignoring him. I wasn't saying anything that he was saying, but I
Oh,
was
okay.
like, come with me.
Because I was telling Steve he has to leave. We're not listening to him.
Is that what you were saying? Because at one point somebody's like, come with me. And I'm like,
No, we're trying to make Steve leave. We told him and then he said something about a bedroom, and then it's his playground. And we asked if it was your bedroom, but they never answered us. And something on this said unknown. And we asked.
Well, we asked who.
Well, we asked if there was a bedroom in here, and it said unknown.
My eyes, baby,